Hello everyone. So today is 4th of July and let's discuss what happened today and what we discussed yesterday and what's next we are expecting. Okay. So in yesterday's video, whatever we discussed exactly, the game plan that I discussed of the big players exactly matched, but just with a twist in the morning. But yeah, exactly matched because yes, it went up and then the selling started, and also in Bank Nifty also you can very well see that more than Nifty, if you see that the opening of Nifty, so there was a huge gap up and Nifty almost stayed at that level. But Bank Nifty, yes, though there was a gap up, but Bank Nifty went further up. The reason I stated clearly yesterday that I detected call buying by the big guys, and that was, I also clearly mentioned that that was in Bank Nifty. Okay, and yes, the next thing was that yes, as you can see here, that is I clearly mentioned to the members here, that is move is due tomorrow. This is yesterday's analysis, okay, because the move was to come yesterday but it did not come, and I clearly analyzed that call buyers are active in Bank Nifty, and I clearly said that move will come, and we took our positions. You knew what our positions were, and so these were the open positions, and yeah, so that's what and today the premium decayed very sharply on the put side, and yes, that was a very nice that gave a nice profit. And yeah, the next thing is that next I clearly mentioned in the morning, that is first up move in Nifty expiry, so first up move and then selling will start, okay, in Nifty. And yeah, last I just took a trade because I was able to capture the 3 p.m. move, and that's why I took a trade, bought 20,400 PE at 9 rupees, and call shorted 20,400 CE at 41. Okay, that time was 2:54 p.m. and then 2:59 I clearly said that 3 p.m. candle will be in red. If you see, then they were, first it went down, the 3 p.m. candle, and this 9 rupees went to 28 rupees, so I was able to close at 27. And yeah, so this 41 rupees came down, I think in one digit at the end. But yeah, my I start, so once the price got below 20, so I started trailing my profit and kept a stop loss at 20, and it hit 20, and so shorted at 41 and covered at 20, so 21 rupees premium eating at on the call side, and yeah, and on the put side it went 3x. But yeah, so I don't encourage these type of trades, but since I was able to uh, get the 3 p.m. move, and I have also seen some pattern which I won't be disclosing because nothing works while it's in the public domain. So but yes, I have been able to find some pattern, and which I'll try to use in the future as well, and I'll see how long it stays also. Okay, so coming to the next thing, that is our indicators. So here the indicator score here decreased, but if you see Nifty, when it was further decreasing, so the score did not, score went up from here, and so did Nifty. And yes, also when Nifty was at this time, like 1:33 p.m., Nifty was giving higher highs there, and so score did not move further up, and finally Nifty came down. The same thing almost happened in Bank Nifty as well. As you can see, the score sharply recovered here, and then here also there was a gap, and then the score came down. Bank Nifty came down. And now let's talk about the other data. So talking about FIIs again have bought for almost no, this is 3rd of July, sorry. uh, so I think 2000 something crores, yes, to 2134 crores, and DIs again have sold. This advance to decline ratio, if you notice here, that again, though overall, Nifty is giving gap up every day, but overall market is not participating. And if we go to the, so here, overall market is not participating. As you can see, the declines are increasing. I mean, it's sharply increasing. I mean, when the declines were increasing today, so market was going up. Okay, so there is some continuation between this overall market and this indexes. So basically, this what my experience is that these indexes are being managed, which I also told yesterday, and nothing else. Okay, and now let's come to the end of the day data. So as you can see here that those call writing positions, as I said yesterday, that tomorrow you will get to know those call writings are in FinNifty expiry, and you see that most of the call writing positions that were made, like FIIs, you can clearly see that it's exactly matching with the yesterday's additional call writing value. So I mean, they made this in FinNifty, and that's why like they closed it also. Okay, so no further call writing in Nifty or Bank Nifty. And yeah, talking about prop decks also, they also almost the same thing. They closed their put trading positions, sorry, call writing positions, and also those put trading positions which were in FinNifty. And here again the big guys are carrying their put trading positions. So here yesterday we went with put writing, though put side premium was not decaying, and today it decayed by almost in Nifty it decayed by 60% when it was high at the topmost level. Then further decrease was there, but overall at the end we saw that a decrease of 60% in Nifty and 45% in Bank Nifty, and still carrying them forward. So yesterday the reason was that the day before yesterday the big guys have on Friday, okay, so the big guys have taken huge put writing positions, and decay did not happen on the put side. So they were carrying their put writing positions, and there was a high chance that today we will be one will be profitable if they are going with put writing positions. So that's why I took put writing positions, still carrying them forward. And here the thing is that the big guys are also carrying them forward, and overall put writers are active. And if you see that the call buying positions have been closed, but these were the buying positions that were for the hedging purpose of the writing positions, so those have been closed. But overall again the other call buying positions are still intact. And coming to here, that is FIs, they have again increased their futures long positions, and almost the same as the future short positions. Talking about prop decks, they have decreased their future short positions and somewhat increased their futures long positions, but it's almost the same. But overall conclusion is that futures, FIs are long in futures and also long in options. And you have to be very careful. And also yesterday I showed that RSI was gaining strength, and so one should not let's go to the 1-day chart. So one should not consider shorting the market because they think that market बहुत ऊपर चला गया. So that's not like how you can, you should trade for now. So as you can see here that RSI is almost like at 76, and so it can rise further. So one doesn't know like how long this is going to continue. So the best thing that we can do is now go with the put writing positions, and during intraday we have to look for further opportunities. Like today, as we even clearly analyze that both the side moves will happen. First up move will come, because why did I say first up move will come is because the option buying positions are given the first preference. Okay, so since the big guys were having both call buying and call writing positions, so call buying in Bank Nifty and call writing in Fin Nifty, so Bank Nifty if goes up, Fin Nifty will also go up. So finally Bank Nifty also have to come down with Fin Nifty, and so will Fin Nifty. So the thing is that first the priority will be given to the call buying, so will go up, and then the call writing positions will be in profit. Okay, And talking about like the buying in the cash segment, again you can see that a whole lot of buying is going on in the cash segment, so be very careful while you short the index, even in Bank Nifty also. Okay, so I mean cash buying is going on, derivative segment data is bullish, so I mean we should stay cautious. And yeah, again for yes, like yesterday what I told was because exactly it matched with the today's market move, but I was able to say that because I detected call buying, and EOD data said that like also call writing in FinNifty, and I also detected that during the intraday. But today there is no such thing. I mean anything can happen tomorrow. Only just that market will not sharply fall. If it falls, then you have to look for these positions whether they are getting closed or not. Okay, so again I mean as Nifty moves higher up and up, so we will gradually see both the side moves, and some corrections shall come into play, but we should wait for it. Just for now because everyone is saying that market will correct, we should short. No, so again there is no final verdict for today, because data is just like, or you can say that buy on dip or whatever. But again only going with put writing will help. Call buying or put buying will decide during the intraday. Okay, so that's the overall analysis for now. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.